quite a while now since I've done a burgundy manicure, so I thought it was time to bring out this one. This is by Essie, and this is called Bahama Mama. I haven't worn this one for a while, but if I remember, it applies really easily. It's a nice silky cream, and covers really well in two coats. As I said, a lovely silky cream, real silky effect to it. It's very well pigmented, so I think that'll be fine in two coats. And it's a little bit more purpley than it shows here on the camera. But very pretty burgundy, purpley burgundy tone. And as usual, I've started with a base of two coats of OPI Natural Nail Base Coat. And I think this manicure would really benefit from a gel-like top coat, so I shall use Essie Gel Setter. So you may notice I've changed the background colour to black, because that makes this colour stand out a bit more. It was looking a bit dark, I thought, and it gives it more of the true colour. Like I say, it's a little bit more purple than it shows here. It's looking more of a sort of a browny burgundy here, but it is actually more of a plummy colour, I would say. But very, very pretty and very classy, I think. Very sophisticated colour. The addition of a gel-like top coat really shows it off as its best, I think. Yes, I like that. Very, very pretty, very elegant. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.